God bless you. Yeah, मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं.
मैं वर्कआउट करके नहीं आऊँगा, दैट इज अ गिवन.
whole team at Mijwa for the work they're doing. Of course, Shabana ji, Namrata, Manish, and a lot of people behind the scenes who are working very hard to make this work what they really believe in. And I normally don't get opportunities to come and show my good side. Do the things that rich, big movie stars who are good looking and sexy are supposed to do. So this is my bit. So genuinely from the bottom of my heart, to all the boys and girls also who've taught me how to walk, and my wonderful friend Anushka, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, genuinely. I've been trying to, because I'm that kind of person who never comes to a function without googling and finding out what they do. So I found out everything about Mijwa. From the time Kaifi Saab put this whole thing together, and how Azamgarh and Azmi comes through. But the work they're doing, they started with 15 to 20 ladies, young girls, and they've gone on to have about 400 people now. Am I correct?
That's right. Yes, you've done your homework.
God bless you. Yeah, man, and but I generally want to say, and the people in the back who are watching my butt right now, I'm sorry. I'm talking to you all also, I'm sorry, and this is a little circular thing which is completely new for me, which is making me gain in confidence as a ramp model. And all the boys, you guys watch out, dude, I'm coming and I'm on raps. I'm going to be good at it, okay? But honestly, because of Shabana ji, Manish and Namrata, they've known me since I came to Mumbai. At some time or the other, have been extremely supportive, and what they're doing right now with Mijwa is genuinely one of the finest things, Yeah, it's a small aspect of the world, and we keep talking about empowering ladies, which is a misnomer according to me. So I'll turn around here also and tell everyone, this is a misnomer. It's like, save our bloody planet. No, you don't save the bloody planet. The planet saves you. The planet is looking after you. And similarly, when we say empower women, there is nothing like empowering women. They are more powerful than us. All we need to do is genuinely give all the ladies, all the young girls, all women an even playing field. That's all they are asking for. And I know, and we have to believe this, realistically, it's an unfair world. It's a man's world. And we have taken this for granted for too bloody long. Guys, cut out the bloody word, I get into trouble with the non-liberals. But I just want to tell you this, that generally we've taken this for granted for too long. All we need to do is offer an even playing field. And Mijwa, in its own small way, and in its own fantastically big way, is doing the same thing. It's taking these ladies, giving them an even playing field. Women, I do believe, if they are taught learning, the learning grows much. Am I speaking too much?
No, you're not speaking too much, but here are these young girls from Mijwa. This is Shweta.
Shweta, you're the only person I've met who's got better nipples than me.
This is Aditi.
I have to kiss you. Thank you, Shweta. Okay.
This is Sayuka, the wonderful work you've seen, and that is Sangeeta.
I have to take advantage of this. I know you got sindoor and stuff, but you're going to help me and...
Jaldi.
Thank you so much for doing what you're doing. And I really want to say this because I won't get an opportunity. I'll get back to my capitalist. A lot of money earning world quickly right after this. I get this opportunity because of Shabana ji and Manish and Namrata. And I just want to say this, that if learning is given as is being done in Mijwa, when a learning is given to a woman, it goes much further and wider than when learning is given to a man. Men are good, they're nice, they're doing this stuff, and it's really nice, but women take it further. They take it to children, they take it to society, they take it to everyone else. Labor, handcrafted stuff that they're doing, chicken curry. I'm really sorry, I've never worn a chicken curry stuff before. This is the first time I like chicken, so I'm happy. To all Peter followers, really sorry about this, but I'll make chicken, this is mine. Legitimately, you're a vegetarian, you can make chicken curry. So I just want to say, when labor and the essence of labor and work is given into the hands of women, they are much more intricate, they are much more honest about it and earnest about it. And this is an experience I've had all my life, being an actor, being a producer, being whatever capacity that I've been, even a son, a brother, a husband, a father. And the third part, when you give leadership in their hands, which Mijwa is giving, and your organization is giving, I think they're going to rule. And the last but not the least, because I'm here, I'm a romantic hero, love. There's nobody who loves like women. So please, it is important that we give these things in the hands of women, not to empower them, just give them an even feel because they are better human beings. And that's the only way we can save the planet. So thank you, Mijwa, for having me over here. Thank you for the stuff that you're doing.
Thank you, Shahrukh. And let me seize this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, to say that Shahrukh Khan acted in a film in which he insisted on giving Deepika Padukone credit title above him. At that time, I said, that's wonderful. But what would be really wonderful if he did a women-centric film in which he had the smaller part to do, and he went and did Dear Zindagi. So Jeete Raho, Khush Raho, that's really important.
I know this is going to be so taken out of context, Shivanaji, what I'm going to say.
No, but you were talking about empowerment of women and the fact that you actually
what
did
I'm
it.
going to say now again.
मगर कुछ तो तारीफ करना जरूरी था ना?
क्या मैं ऐसी बात करूं जिससे मुझको ट्रबल हो जाए इस शो के बारे में?
नहीं ऐसा मत करिए। नहीं ऐसा बिल्कुल भी मत करिए। ऐसा बिल्कुल भी मत करिए।
But I can still say Mijwa and women on top.
Yeah! And ladies and gentlemen, Anushka has worked with us before. We consider her part of the Mijwa family. Thank you so much for being here. Anushka, I know you're deeply committed to the empowerment of the girl child, and we'd like you to say a few words.
I think, good evening everybody. I think Shahrukh has spoken so beautifully, like he always does. I just want to thank you all, Shivanaji, you, Namita, you, Manish, you, for giving me this opportunity because, like Shahrukh said, the greatest thing that you can do is to create livelihood for people. And even greater than that is to empower women while doing so. So hats off to you guys, and I congratulate you. And I look forward to another opportunity to associate with you all again. And whatever I can in my capacity, in my little way, as I have today, more power to all of you.
Thank you, Jeete Raho, Suman, and the gang. Thank you. It was absolutely wonderful. So, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the show. This madman, jiska naam hai Manish Malhotra, he has put this whole thing together in 10 days. So, give it to Manish Malhotra. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. अच्छा, उठ भी जाइए, शो खत्म हो चुका है. Thank you.
इनको बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं मालूम था कि इतनी कसरत करवाई जाएगी।
या
अनुष्का और शाहरुख को
मुझे लगता है इसके बाद शाहरुख बोलेंगे जब मैं फैशन शो में पहुंचूंगा तो बोलेंगे मैं बताता हूँ आपको
कितने किलोमीटर का है, ये कितने किलोमीटर का होगा, इसके बाद मैराथन कर सकते हैं।
And Anushka has walked with us for Mijwa earlier and ए दिल है मुश्किल के टाइम हमारी कमिटमेंट थी कि twice earlier I think so she was like I will do your next show and she's here. I love her, she does what she says and she's wonderful.
ये मेरी पहले तो खुशकिस्मती है कि मुझे ये मौका मिला और मैं जेन्युइनली बार बार धन्यवाद कर रहा हूँ। हालांकि मेरे दोस्त हैं, मैं सालों से जानता हूँ, सीनियर्स हैं, पर शिवाना जी का, मनीष का, नम्रता का कि मुझे ऐसा मौका दिया, क्योंकि मजाक एक तरफ है लेकिन रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में ऐसे मौके बहुत कम मिलते हैं कि हम किसी भी तरह से, मैं अनुष्का फिर भी करती रहती हूँ, मुझे मौका बहुत कम मिलता है कि मैं ऐसी चीज़ों में भाग ले सकूँ तो जेन्युइनली हार्ट फेल्ट और बहुत खूबसूरत है। तो आप ये देखें, मिज़वा के बच्चे यहाँ पर हैं, औरतें यहाँ पर हैं जिन लोगों ने काम किया है, बहुत सारी ऐसी हैं जो यहाँ पर नहीं है और जो काम वहाँ पर हो रहा है चाहे मुझे उसका पूरा इल्म ना हो, I may not have the full knowledge of what's happening there, but I know it's very heartfelt and it is making, in helping women have an even playing field, and I think that's important. So I really am very thankful and I'm very happy. और नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा फिर से, जब मनीष बुलाएंगे, शिवाना जी बुलाएंगे, नम्रता बुलाएंगी, और मैं वर्कआउट करके नहीं आऊँगा, दैट इज़ अ गिवन. एंड जेन्युइनली अ बिग थैंक्स टू अनुष्का फॉर स्टैंडिंग बाय मी एंड मेकिंग मी लुक एज ब्यूटीफुल एज आई लुक राइट नाउ. इट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ हर.
बच्चों की बात नहीं, आपने बच्चों की बात करने मेहमान आए हैं, आप सभी की
हम सब उनको बहुत मुबारकबाद देते हैं, लेकिन ये मौका नहीं है, इसमें आप जरा मिजवा के ऊपर ही कॉन्सेंट्रेट करिए.
This calls upon women empowerment, but any cause which is very dear to your heart and you would like to work on it, or maybe you may work on it.
For me, I think there is no bigger cause in the place I am, in the situation I am, in the life I've lived. I think Any cause which is related to giving an even playing field to women is closest to my heart.
Sir, please allow me. Everyone wants to know Mr. Karan Johar has been blessed. All
Health and happiness, yeah. I mean, this is actually still very personal. So don't think I'm being cagey or not wanting to answer. But it's a very personal moment. I've had this moment before, so I know how personal it is. So let's respect that and leave it at that. And we'll have celebrations and love and happiness and health later. बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है, मतलब मैं क्या तारीफ करूं अपनी पिक्चर की अपने मुंह से, बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर।
और सर अनुष्का की फिल्म आने वाली है 24 मार्च को।
एक्चुअली लाइक शबाना जी सेज, आई एम पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रेलर ऑल्सो। मैं आऊँगा ट्रेलर के अंदर, मैं पिक्चर में नहीं हूँ, लेकिन आई विश हर द बेस्ट एंड ऑल ऑफ अस हियर। इम्तियाज़ भी यहाँ पे, सब जितने भी लोग हैं, ये बच्चे हैं, जेन्युइनली इट्स अ वेरी हैप्पी प्लेस एंड अ वेरी हैप्पी मोमेंट। So let's celebrate Mijwa and this fashion show of Manish and all the boys and girls who walk the ramp. What an amazing show there, international,
Yeah. Beautiful.
Like Paris and Milan.
Yeah, stunning show.
बॉलीवुड एक्टर लू जैकमैन ने कहा है कि अगर मुंबई का किरदार अगर कोई इंडियन एक्टर कर सकता है तो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ
बिल्कुल सत्य का है, बिल्कुल सत्य है। और उन्होंने सत्य वचन कहा है बिल्कुल। लेकिन मुझे छाती पे थोड़े बाल उगाने पड़ेंगे, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं तेल लगा रहा हूँ हर रोज, सांडे का तेल लगा रहा हूँ अपनी छाती पे।
किसका तेल?
सांडे का कि मेरे बाल पे थोड़े से छाती के अगर बाल आ गए ना, उसके बाद देखो मैं ऐसा वुल्वरीन बनूंगा। बेटा तूने कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी की ना, मैं हेडबट कर रहा हूँ। मैं अच्छे मौके पे आया हूँ, चिनकारी पहनी हुई है मैंने, चिनकारी, चिकनकारी, सॉरी चिकनकारी, सॉरी। कल शाम को 8 बजे तेरे साथ मेरी मुलाकात होगी और इस पे हम बहुत लंबी चर्चा करेंगे।
यहाँ बस let's talk about the show.
मैं बहुत शातिर हो चुका हूँ।
They've been fabulous. I think. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everything.
Thank you.
Have dinner, enjoy yourself, and happy Mijwa, and thank you
So,
everybody.
but how he's coming? I don't understand.
वो अंदर क्यों है? इसको अंदर किसने आने दिया?
ये अकेले अंदर कैसे है?
Yeah. Always.
अच्छा, इलीगल इमिग्रेंट है।
I think from that side. Mijwa.
Come, let's go inside this way. He said. So that's why.
मिलेंगे जल्द सब मिलेंगे। Thank you everybody. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
या घेऊन घ्या.
वीडियो इंटरव्यू कम मंदा चलिए कम मुझे बेहद खुशी है कि मिजवा एक छोटा सा गांव ईस्टर्न यूपी आजमगढ़ में जो इतना छोटा था
कि वो हिंदुस्तान के नक्शे पे भी नज़र नहीं आता था, उसको कोई पिन कोड भी नहीं था। लेकिन आज कैफ़ी आज़मी साहब की कोशिशों की वजह से मिजवां तमाम दुनिया में जाना जाता है। मिजवां का जो काम हो रहा है उसमें हमारे साथी रहे हैं मनीष मल्होत्रा, जिनकी मैं बेहद शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ, क्योंकि उन्होंने इन औरतों को रोज़गार का एक ज़रिया देकर इनकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत बड़ी तब्दीली लाई है। मेरे लिए, मिजवां वेलफेयर सोसाइटी के लिए हमेशा मेरी फ़िल्म इंडस्ट्री के तमाम लोगों ने हाथ बढ़कर हमेशा जो भी मैंने मांगा है वो बिना किसी सवाल किए दिया है। आप सब लोग ये जानते हैं कि पिछले 6 बरसों में अमिताभ बच्चन से लेकर सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा तक, प्रियंका चोपड़ा से लेकर श्रद्धा कपूर तक, तमाम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग हमारे लिए रैंप पर चल चुके हैं। हमारे लिए ये बहुत खुशी की बात है कि अनुष्का शर्मा, जो इससे पहले भी हमारे साथ जुड़ चुकी हैं और जो गर्ल्स एम्पावरमेंट के लिए पूरी तरह से फील करती हैं, वो आज हमारी शो स्टॉपर हैं। और उनके साथ शाहरुख खान का मिजवां वेलफेयर सोसाइटी के साथ जुड़ना हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। और मिजवां गाँव में इतनी एक खुशी की लहर दौड़ रही है कि जो लोग आज यहाँ मौजूद नहीं हैं, हमारी खुशकिस्मती है कि मिजवां के कुछ लोग हमारे साथ यहाँ मौजूद हैं, लेकिन जो लोग नहीं भी मौजूद हैं वो भी मेकअप लगाकर, बाल बनाकर बस एक इमेजिनरी टेलीविज़न के सामने बैठे हैं कि वो जो हम देख रहे हैं हमारी नज़रों से वो देख सकें। थैंक यू।
Hi, all about Karan. This is very high, na? Yes. I think it's a fabulous cause, and I should not be saying that the first time I'm actually attending the fashion show. Shabana keeps complaining that I don't come, and whatever they do it with the proper intention. So I think that is what is important. The intention is not just to get publicity or to, it's actually to help the village. Yes, of course, yes, that's special. Shahrukh, Anushka both are walking. I think it's the first time he's walking for Mijwan, so. And I'll get to meet all my cousins inside, so. Hello, Sumit. How are you? Good evening.
Manish's collection will be over there.
Yes.
Of
course, Manish तो मतलब अब मैं क्या तारीफ करूँ उसकी, आप लोग, he is the biggest designer और आज मेरे लिए उसने कपड़े नहीं भेजे वो अलग बात है, but his fashion shows are always amazing.
Let me ask you about the biggest news.
Yes, 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 yes.
आपने शायद उनको
नहीं, मैंने एक्चुअली जब हम साजिद के शो पे गए थे तो तभी दे asked me कि आप what do you want for Karan, and I said I feel that he should have kids and it's time that he either adopts or surrogacy, and I'm thrilled. I think it's the best thing that can happen to him. हाँ, मैंने उसको बोला है, उसको एक नैनी चाहिए होगी तो मैं हूँ ना. Yeah. I want to say it's time we had a man's day also. Why should we get only one day in the whole year? मैं खुद यार 2-3 स्क्रिप्टें चल रही हैं, जैसे होगा you never know. I have no idea. My flaw is that I am perfect. I don't have any flaws.
कहाँ जाएगा?
Yes, gentlemen. एक तो it's a privilege to be here this evening. I am dressed in Manish Malhotra, needless to say, and I have on a sari that has been made by women with the specialized work that Mijwan does. As you know, Mijwan is a village in Uttar Pradesh, जहाँ पर पिछले 6 एडिशंस जो हम यहाँ पर 6 मिज़वान के शोज़ देख चुके हैं, वहाँ पर कुछ 300 औरतों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिली है, काम करने का मौका मिला है, to stand on their own feet. And when he allows me this opportunity to come and be a part of this evening and to celebrate this with Ma'am Shabana Azmi, with Ms. Goyal and Mr. Malhotra, it is an absolute privilege. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि I can be a part of this every year. Well, if I was walking the ramp, you would have known about it. No, I'm not walking the ramp this time now. एक तो मेरी जान, it's so nice to see you always. What can I tell you about Women's Day? We don't need a day to be celebrated. The gentleman asking me the question is also born from a woman. So life itself is a celebration because एक औरत का हाथ है उसमें. It's an absolute privilege and an honor to be one and to celebrate that every single day of my life. Yes. Yes. But that's not fair. I've always been for Shah Rukh and for Anushka. I think both of them are spectacular people and actors. I'm very excited. It's rare for me to be able to come and be in the audience and to applaud everyone's effort. So tonight I'm looking forward to whistle karna nahi aata, nahi to wo bhi karti hai aaj. Yeah. Yes. For? मेरी जान, आपकी आवाज़ नहीं पहुंच रही है, so suddenly I can't hear you. Oh yeah. You know, thank you. I can now hear you. Yes, congratulations, Karan Johar. इन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था that he has the nurturing qualities in him. He wants to start a family, and he's always been a guy who is owned by his heart. I'm very, very excited that Karan Johar is now a parent, and I have no doubt that his children will grow up to be amazing people. I'm very, very happy. हर एक बच्चा अलग होता है, हर एक parent अलग होता है. Just remember that you're here to nurture their talents and to give them the best possible life ever. I'm so, so happy for you, Karan. God bless you. Flaws? अम्मा, इस जगह पे खड़े होके बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है. बोलना बहुत मुश्किल होगा. What are my flaws? But like, मैं बहुत move पर हूँ. Thank you, guys.
I'm very proud that I'm associated with this cause. जहाँ काफ़ी औरतों को उन्हें काम मिला और they have a voice now, they're empowered. और I just feel proud that I'm associated with something so beautiful and a charity which I'm extremely I can relate to and I'm very, very proud of. And I would like to thank Manish for inviting me here. I love whatever he does, and this is a beautiful cause he's part of. And Shabana ma'am, she's a wonderful actor. I've grown up watching her work, but I think knowing that whatever she's doing, I love her a lot more. Because she's taking that extra step to help this cause, and I have a newfound respect for them now. Thank you. I think Women's Day should be every day. We need to celebrate us every day, and I think we're beautiful. We all are unique, and a woman today is not just a mother, but she's also she's everything. She's working. She's taking care of kids. She's she's a daughter. She's a sister. She's a very important part of society, and she's doing pretty much everything. And it takes a lot of strength to do that. So that I think we need to celebrate that strength every day. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Sorry. Yes. जी सबसे पहले मेज़बान के बारे में एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. वेबसाइट है, इट्स वेरी इजी, यू कैन डोनेट ऑन द वेबसाइट एंड आई विल कंट्रीब्यूट विथ माय बिट एंड आई होप दैट पीपल टेक दिस फॉरवर्ड एंड कंट्रीब्यूट with their bit, because it's a great cause, definitely. Yeah. A big fan of Shah Rukh sir, so definitely waiting to see him. Yes. I'm waiting for my next film too. I'm going to start shooting now. I think there's only 20 days left. Been rehearsing all day, all night, so I'm a bit tired right now, but I think 20 days I'll be on floor with my film, and then I think you should expect it by the end of this year. Thanks. Yes. What is it? Women's Day. Yes. नहीं, इनकी आ रही है आवाज़. For Women's Day, I don't know what I want to say. Women are amazing. I would like to take my mother out for a dinner. I haven't taken her out for a very long time, and hopefully I can pay for it this year. So I'll take my mom out for dinner. That's all I can say right now.
I have to say that I'm always so consistently proud of, the work that Shabana is doing. She is an inspiration to us all. And particularly what Shabana, Manish and Namrata are doing, it's wonderful because they're working towards, the education and the employment of women. So I think that Mijwan Welfare Society is doing a wonderful job. Yeah. No, I'm really looking forward to watching Shah Rukh and Anushka. What fun. And I'm sure Manish has done a wonderful and ethereal job of, I think they've brought the chicken curry work to the forefront as far as I know. So I'm looking forward to watching it. No, I just want to say that it's very important for women to tell women's stories, and I think Alankrita Srivastava has done a wonderful job in Lipstick Under My Burqa. And I think that, I'm really fed up of the fact that these kind of films are, banned, and so many other kinds of films are not. No films should be banned at all. I think the CBFC should just give a certificate. And I think that we should watch all kinds of films. It's important that we watch films where women talk about themselves. Yes, absolutely. I mean, I think it's an unnecessary obstacle. In any case, it's a very difficult and stressful path. It's very difficult to get funding for these kind of films. And the film is winning awards abroad. It's really unfortunate that, people in India can't, we'll see what the tribunal has to say. But people in India should have a right, to choose for themselves whether they want to watch the film or not. No, I don't have any solutions, I'm sorry to say. I think, the Charm Benegal had a committee and, they are working towards it, and I think that the guidelines need to be revised and re-examined, and there should be people accountable, who can do that job. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello. Well, I think it's a wonderful cause, and Shabana ji called me and she said I had to be here, and I always have supported Mijwa, and I think it's a great initiative, and I think it's something that can be applied to any village across the country, and I think it's lovely how Manish, everyone's come together to sort of give it a platform to talk about some very real issues that our country is suffering from. Well, I'm very excited. They both are my favorites, and I think it's going to be a night with a lot of glamour, a lot of style, with a good cause at the root of it. Yes. I know I wasn't here for the press conference. I was traveling. I was promoting my other film, so I was in the UK promoting that. Hi. Any message for Women's Day? Well, I would just like to say that every day is Women's Day, and there's not one specific day that we should celebrate and commemorate all the women around us. And I think if we just acknowledge the presence of what women are doing around us every single day, we should just. Yes. I am very excited for it, and in fact 3rd March को film UK में release हुई है. Inshallah we'll release the film here in August, which is closer to the 70 years of India's independence and partition.
and we all thought it's the right time for a film like this, which is about partition, which is about human values, which is about the need to sort of look at love and humanity and not divide people on religious grounds. I think a film like that is the right time to release would be August in India. This is not the right platform to talk about Viceroy's house, but I'm playing a Muslim translator to Lord Mountbatten. I think we'll talk about it when the time is right. Yes. Well, lots of compliments. I think I'm very fortunate. I'm very glad I got to be a part of this beautiful film called Jolly LLB 2. And I'm really happy that not just critics, but I think people in general have enjoyed the film. I've got a lot of compliments about playing Pushpa, because Pushpa Pandey is this little unusual housewife. One has not seen a housewife like this before. Jo, she likes to have a little drink. So her husband makes a drink for her, he presses her feet, he sort of... so it's a very unusual dynamic that both of them have. And now that the film is out, I can talk about it. It's also this one time where he's sort of lost hope and he's sort of hit by... these goons, and she rises and she, in a way, fights these guys in her own housewifey way, and she sort of manages to, save him. And I think it's important to write strong characters for women. I have never cared about screen time, because I don't think good acting or bad acting is defined by how many number of minutes you are on screen. It's about what you end up doing. So I've got some very good feedback on playing Pushpa Pandey, and I'm very happy and very grateful for it. All right, thank you very much. Good evening.
Shabana ji, I think, is an inspiration to all of us. She's been working so hard at Mizwan for so many years, and unfortunately I've never had a chance to come and support her. This is my first time at her annual show, and I give her all my best wishes, and I really hope for Mizwan to go from strength to strength. Oh wow. I didn't know that. I'm super excited. I was already excited. Now I'm really looking forward to seeing them.
Let me ask you about Karan. Karan is a father, a parent.
I have no idea. I had no idea.
Is blessed with two twins.
ये कब की न्यूज़ है अभी? Oh, I'm delighted. I mean, what can I say? I need to go and make a call. Wow. Wonderful. What can I say? I mean, that's just wonderful. He deserves every happiness. He deserves every happiness that life can give him. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to hear this news. Thank you for the news. Thank you to the media for the news. सही में मुझे नहीं मालूम था. I had no idea. I live under a rock. मैं फ़ोन अपना उठाती नहीं हूँ. I'm not on social media. और मुझे actually किसी ने नहीं बताया. नहीं. आमिर ने बताया नहीं. I have not seen him actually all day. But anyway. Thank you.
My colleague wants to ask about the Women's Day.
जी.
8th of March. And the cause is also related. Would you like to share any message for Women's Day?
Well, as it's been said many times before, we need to do a lot of work for women to be given their, I think, rightful place in every walk of life.
we do our bit in our filmmaking, and I think everyone must. And I'm happy that we've set aside a day to celebrate women, but we have to make it a daily celebration.
Well, I've always been part of Mijwan in some way or the other because I've always felt for it, and I think there's some great work that they're doing. Manish Malhotra, Shabana ma'am, and Namrata, empowering women, kind of helping them get employment, and at the same time reviving the chicken curry work, which is great. So I think it's a great cause, and really some really good work happening there. Yeah, I can't wait to see that. It's exciting. Yeah. Yeah, thanks. Good evening.
Women's Day is also nearby. My colleague was
Sorry?
Women's Day is nearby.
Yeah.
Of March.
Yeah.
Any message for everyone over here on the center?
Well, I've always felt that it's really important for women to be independent, financially, socially, because that's what's going to eventually take you far. And that being not dependent on somebody else and being dependent only on yourself is, I think, what we all need to work towards in some way or the other. It will make us stronger human beings, and especially in a society like ours, I think that's the one thing. That's the one thing that comes to mind. Oh, that I'll have to ask you guys. I think I'm pretty practical, which maybe is a good thing. I don't know. Sometimes it can be a flaw, but sometimes it can be a good thing as well. And I think I'm pretty stubborn, which can be a flaw. So yeah. But I guess both can be worked in good ways and bad. I'm busy shooting right now for my film Lucknow Central, so that's what's keeping me busy. We've got a few days left. We just finished the second schedule, so we've got a little more left and then we're done. So yeah. Thank you.
आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा थॉट है, बहुत अच्छी इनिशिएटिव है जो ये चली आ रही है, एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल दैट वी कुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, एंड या इट्स अ नाइस इनिशिएटिव. इट्स शबाना जी, मनीष मल्होत्रा सर एंड सब लोग का जो मिल के मेज़बान के लिए जो चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, विमेन एम्पावरमेंट में जो चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ it's like a great initiative, and I'm really glad that I could make it. जी, अरे मनीष सर उनका अटायर हमेशा से काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है, एंड ही इज़ द बेस्ट, एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल कि मैं उनके मैं उनके अटायर में हूँ और हो सकता हूँ. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी, एंड या ये हमेशा ऐसे चलता रहे. सो या फॉर वुमेंस डे, हाँ जी, एनी मैसेज फॉर वुमेंस डे. आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छे ओकेजन में हमने पूछा है कि मेज़बान में हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं सब लोग, एंड वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में काफ़ी चीज़ें चल रही हैं यहाँ पे. आई थिंक वी आर ऑल इक्वल्स, एंड हम लोग कभी भी अपने आप को, विमेन को मैं सबको ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि अपने आप को कभी भी मर्दों से कम ना सोचें. सो दैट्स द ओनली थिंग विच आई वुड से, एंड हैप्पी वुमेंस डे. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
जी आई गेस यहाँ पे आए हुए सारे लोगों में शायद मैं एक ऐसा होगा जो मिजवां के साथ तब से जुड़ा है जब से ये शुरू हुआ है। मैं पहले मॉडल था और मिजवां के लिए काफ़ी मैंने वॉक्स किए हैं और जानता हूँ कि क्या होता है, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था, कहाँ से वो करीबन 40 स्त्रियों के साथ शुरू हुआ था और आज हमारे पास ऐसी दे हैव अबाउट 300 women who are working for Mijwan. So it's a great initiative and the cause is very pure, the intentions are very pure and the people who are working with pure hard work. So it's always great.
बाइक बाइक अब नहीं मिलेगा। अरे देखे जा भाई, अब नहीं मिलेगा भाई, इनका एक हैसियत है देखते नहीं सर बाइक छोड़ो बाइक
बहुत आगे जा रहा हूँ।
हेलो यस अरे लाइट गई।